Welcome to the HTML and CSS Masterclass. Your instructor in this course is Robert Gaiowa, who has extensive industry experience as a programmer and a background in teaching courses in Python, JavaScript, C# and 3D modeling. He's now put his knowledge to good use by creating this course to pass on his wisdom and experience on these topics to you. The course is published by the Learn Programming Academy, founded and created by Tim Pachalka, a teacher and software developer with over 35 years of experience. Tim's goal, through his own students and the Academy, is to make available the highest quality training to anyone wanting to learn real-world skills in software development. Website creation, design and development can be quite intimidating, especially if you don't know where to start. In addition, many programming frameworks assume that the developer already knows HTML and CSS. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use and apply HTML and CSS to create web content. In addition, Robert will also teach you about the popular Bootstrap framework and other practical extras like XHTML and debugging HTML and CSS common errors. Feel free to check the syllabus for this course on this page for a complete list of topics. The ideal student would be someone who has never programmed before, or an existing programmer who needs to learn or brush up on their HTML and CSS skills. So if you're eager to master HTML and CSS and find out more about Bootstrap, then this is the course for you. If you're ready to start the HTML and CSS Masterclass, click the Enroll button to get started. You can also review some of the content for free by watching the video previews on this page. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.